This is Poli Slick Seal. Poli Slick Seal is a revolutionary professional grade surface protectant specifically designed for your brand new boat or RV to maintain that brilliant new gel coat gloss. It is a silica-infused, surfactant-free microemulsion of cross-linking polymers that effectively repels water, dirt, and grime, provides a hyper-slick glossy reflection, and best of all, contains UV inhibitors to protect against oxidation. It is unlike anything else on the market. It is detergent resistant and provides up to 6 months of lasting protection. It is perfect for your new boat or RV to keep that gel coat looking great for many years with consistent use. It also protects the clear coat over painted surfaces, including your car or truck. It can be used on glass, trim, plastic, rubber moldings, and vinyl. You can even use it over other protectants like wax coatings. It's easy to apply, just spray and wipe until dry. There's no buffing required. Visit us at polyglue.com for more information.